welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is an unboxing video. So you've all been waiting to see what box I am getting whilst I have my Lumebox on pause. So I'm going to be unboxing the Cozmobox for the next 3 months. But if you want to see what I got in Feb's box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So the box came in this really cute light pink box, and it's got Cozmobox stickers all over it. I have cut the sticker so that we could open it easily. And the first thing when you open it up is this little card here, and it actually says that this month's packaging is just a generic pink box because they are redesigning their boxes and the new box will come into effect soon basically. So that was really cute to see that their boxes will be changing. Then it comes with this little booklet of things that you could receive. And then we have all the products in here with some little tissue paper and stuff in there. So let's jump in and see what we've got in this box. It's got like this little book is like super cute. It's like a little catalogue type thing. So they basically have said that this month's box has been specifically curated to revitalize your skin from the impacts of the summer heat. So to ultimately reveal its true glow so you can stay shining all year round. Okay, so on the first page, I got both of the first 2 products on this first page. So I'm just going to go based on how the products are laid out in here. So the first one here is from Embryolisse. I don't know how to pronounce that. I really apologize. I'm stuffing that up very much so. It says it's basically a moisturizer. It's 75 mils and it retails for 42 Australian dollars. It says that if your skin is showing signs of dehydration and feeling tight, then apply a thick layer to the skin for 15 minutes or more. So this is what it looks like. So it says that it's a global cult fave, multifunctional skincare product. It can be used as a primer before makeup application, a daily moisturizer, or a nourishing face mask. Prolonged hours in the summer sun can often leave the skin dehydrated and dull, which is why we have to specifically choose this product to revitalize stressed skin and bring it back to life. It comes in like this little tube here. This reminds me of, you know, like Amelin or like the baby bomb cream. It reminds me of a tube like that, but this is what it looks like. It's a nice big full size. It is dented a little bit, but that's okay. So excited to see what my mother-in-law thinks of this. If you aren't aware, I have a lot of skin issues at the moment, so I don't currently try any new skincare products. So any of the skincare products I will pass on to my mother-in-law. If she doesn't want them, then I will pop them in future giveaways. So the second product that I've got here is from Leno cream. And this is a Lanolin Originals Body Polish. It is 200 grams. It says it's made with active Manuka honey, shea butter, apricot oil, and New Zealand goat milk. So it says its conditioning and exfoliating formula works to restore hydration and replenish smoother skin. The perfect addition to your body care routine to remove dead skin cells and to promote cell regeneration. And this retails for $27.40. It comes in this massive ginormous box here. That's the front, and then this is the back. So let's see what the product looks like inside. Wow, that box is huge for this. Wow, that is actually really big as well. So it is 200 grams. It is absolutely massive product. but the box was ginormous. So I'm excited to give this to my mother-in-law and see what she thinks of this one as well. It looks really good, and I've heard lots of good things about Leno cream as well. Okay, so the next product I'm going to keep till last because I'm the most excited about that product. But it was two different options between Dolce and Gabbana. So it's a Dolce & Gabbana mystery product, and I got one of the two products. So I'm going to keep that till last because I'm really excited because it's a makeup product. The next one is from Wasu, and it says it's an overnight face mask. But on the little brochure here, it shows a different packaging, so I'm not sure if it's a different like packaging to what I've got, or if they've like revamped it, because on here it says it's a Wasu Time Treasure Invigorating Emulsion. So this is what it looks like here. So I don't know if it's a different product to on here, because it's not listed anywhere else in here. But from what was listed in the little catalogue thing, it says that it's $17.50, and it's to apply a small amount of the product at the last step of your skincare routine. Leave on overnight and rinse with lukewarm water. No face cleanser needed the next morning. But I will pop it on screen and let you know if it is a different product to what is listed in here, because to me it definitely sounds like a different product. The next product is from More, and it is a blood orange lip macaron. So this is 10 grams. This retails for $24.20, and it comes in packaging like this. Oh, it's in a really, really nice peachy sort of coloured container. Okay, it just smells like a lip balm. Nothing fancy. It's not too strong in smell. Yeah, it says the vitamin rich balm will leave your lips feeling super soft, supple, rosy and glowy. Enriched with all natural ingredients such as beeswax, papaya, rosehip oil and jojoba oil. This balm helps hydrate and nourish the delicate skin on your lips without the greasy or chunky feeling. So it sounds pretty good. I'm excited to have that in my collection now. I can't put it on right now because I do have red lipstick on, obviously. The second last product that I got is from Laneige. So this is the Radiant C Cream. So this one is just a little like sample size, I think. It retails for $12.53. So it says that you need to include vitamin C cream in your summer skincare routine with your morning SPF. Apply an extra layer of vitamin C means you are double protecting your skin from the sunlight's harmful ultraviolet rays as well as environmental pollution. That's why they've chosen the vitamin C cream from Laneige, which will be the best daily moisturizer for all skin types. It's powered by 8.5% vitamin C, and this cream is visibly addressing dullness due to dark spots and brightens your skin tone. This kind to skin formula is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. So this is what it looks like. So it's just a nice little tiny cream. It smells quite nice. I do like Laneige products. I live by their lip products, the lip sleeping mask, and I also use the standard daily lip balms and the lip treatment balm as well. So I do love Laneige, so I'm excited to give that one a shot. Okay, and the lucky last product in here is from Dolce & Gabbana, as I said, which I'm super excited. I've never had anything from them before. So there was two different options that you could have got. It does say that the other option is if you've been with Cozmobox for more than 6 months. So this is my first month with them, so that's why I have got the second option. So the second option was the Only One Luminous Colour Lipstick. So this retails for 67 Australian dollars. Comes in a box like this. Says it is a lightweight silky finish lipstick crafted with silicone coated pigments that reflect its luminous and vibrant colours, infused with the brand's latest technology. Mediterranean Glow Complex, its smooth texture gives an intense satin finish that is comfortable and leaves your lips feeling nourished and hydrated. Each subscriber that receives the lipstick will receive a mystery shade which we guarantee you'll be wearing all day long. Ooh! So, this one is in the shade Pink Lady. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Super cute, but I don't know, is this like the proper packaging, or is this one that you need to buy the top to actually go on it? Let me know down in the comments, or I'll leave a comment if I've looked it up. But that seems like a really like odd lid, because it does say remove on it. But this is the lipstick. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I'm not sure if you can see on it, but it does have the DG initials on it. Let's give her a swatch. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, this is right up my alley. Look at that colour. And it is super smooth and creamy. I am excited to try this one. Yes, I'm very excited. And I think this is the most expensive lipstick in my collection now, 67 Australian dollars. Wow. So the other product that you could have got if you'd been with them for more than 6 months is a Precious Skin Perfect Finish Cushion Foundation for 119 Australian dollars. So it's this product up here. And it says in the back that the total value of this month's box was up to $239.93. I'll put my actual total on screen for you guys so you can see exactly how much it was. And it has got a March sneak peek in here as well from Caudalie. It's a Vino Clean Instant Foaming Cleanser, 150 mils. So it does have a little sneak peek for next month in there. I will list everything else on screen and down in the description box for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this month's unboxing. I am going to swap it all around a little bit, and I'm going to unbox a few different boxes before I go back to Lumibox, if I do go back to them, just because I want a little bit of variety, and it's interesting seeing what other boxes put in there. I mean, that Dolce Gabbana product is so cool. Yes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!